Hello, trading is closed on April 2nd, 2018. Just a reminder that I'm not playing with all my cards, although I am recovering from my fall. We said over the weekend that although the pattern should have an early low and a late high, which it did, not to be fooled by that because lower prices should print at a target of 26, 29, 29. That was right here. We said this gap should fill at some time and that this gap should fill at some time, and they all did. We had to wait 7 weeks for the 25, 54, 86 target. Target didn't help much when it printed, but it clearly identified the low today, and that's the way the MEJT system works. We're going to call this March 30 day to hit. During the day, MEJT said there were lower prices coming, and we saw them already. We have mixed indicators. It's negative that we had a day which usually closes near the high and couldn't, unless we take out this high promptly. Pretty unlikely. Lower prices should print during the day. We also don't have enough volume for a strong low. But other than that, a lot of stuff is pointing to this low holding and for higher prices tomorrow. So when we have mixed indicators, commonest thing is we gap and promptly move outside the day's range. Next most common, as we close, a little change. My personal opinion is, if this low holds early, we'll probably see higher prices during the day. Whether or not we'll keep them, I don't know. We did close under the 200-day moving average, but we have a 9, 13, 9 sequential buy signal. Bar 9's within 3 bars of bar 13. That's the ideal situation. This TDST line is support, and support goes to 1 bar under the line. So we're at support. This is also, I believe, the biggest point move of the whole drop. Typically, the biggest point move comes on the last day of the move, high percentage of times. There's a wave count compatible with all this. If that's 1 and that's 2, we could have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you take the height of 1 through 3, set it at 100. There's wave 5 right at 50%. So we've had this big drop, couldn't close under any of these lows. All we have to do is hold it at tomorrow's open to see higher prices print. Pattern should be one with the early low. Mixed indicators, but if this holds, and it very likely will, this could be the end of the down leg, although I'm not certain. Any recovery here is going to be very strong. If this is 5 waves down, it's only wave 1 of 3, and wave 2 is over. We have wave 3 of 3 coming up, potential to be a doozy on the downside. And that's today's call.